Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light mode on your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One. And to change LED light modes we have to use a button, what located at the top of your speaker. And right here at the left top we have this sunny button. So we need to press one time at this button. Now, this speaker have 5 presets, and you just swap between them. So I press on it, as you can see I just change it, press again, another preset, also this one, and the 6 times you will turn off the LED light. So, as you can see, now it's disabled. To enable it, you need to also press one time and you will enable the first preset at this speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!